Regarding Veracity's PoV migration, scheduled for what's now finished Q2, we are still waiting for an update from the team. Me too. It's worth stepping back and remembering that nothing about Veracity's fundamentals has changed. Proof of view is patented, proven technology tackling the $100 billion ad fraud crisis with blockchain and AI. VeraViews is a fully operational ad platform verifying human views, filtering bots and delivering transparent results for advertisers. They have strategic partnerships with leading ad tech and video platforms, which connect Verasity to enterprise clients and global publishers, amplifying its scale. VRA drives the ecosystem, powering staking, user rewards, and all transactions with clear utility. And then, of course, Verasity is building real infrastructure like a distributed content delivery network, not just chasing dApp trends. And this isn't just like a concept or something. Verasity is a live business with active clients, partners, and on-chain activity. And with digital ad spend projected to hit $870 billion by 2027, Verasity is preparing to be the go-to solution. So let's just have some patience. Let's wait for some official news from the team. But of course, Verasity has not changed. Of course, this is my opinion. This is my research. Do your own. And for more things crypto, give me a follow.